Let's talk about this thing. This is a key valve extension. This is one you can get that's trimmable, or we do have hard pipe ones as well. But this allows you to make up a large distance from the escutcheon to the key valve. Let's say your fire pit walls are nice and thick. Maybe you have stone fire pit walls that are 12 inches, 10 inches. You can trim this to length. The way this works is this little piece here goes onto the key valve. This is fuel in, fuel out. Connect your key valve extension like that. Again, these pieces come standard with our ready to finish kits, so you can put thicker stone on the outside if you'd like. On the other end, this is where the escutcheon faceplate goes on the outside, so you're able to cinch it in together. Just so you know that this key does fit inside of this key valve extension very tight. You have to push it fairly firmly, and that's how we get a key valve extension set up.